Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider. This is the show where I show you what comes in the mail, and today we've got something from Japan. This is a Zenpop box. You can go over to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code the Ramen Raider for a discount. Yeah, this box is jam-packed with 7 different varieties of ramen from Japan, and there's usually some pretty cool ones, and very rarely is there one that I've ever tried before, so that's pretty nice. So let's crack it open and see what's inside. Whoa! So when you get one of these boxes, when you crack it open, you'll notice there's this little card. And on the card is a QR code and a link. And with that, you can find out information about everything that's in the box. It used to come with a sheet, but now it comes with this card, and then you go to a website and you go look it up. So that's what I'm going to do, and we'll go through everything that's in the box this month. First off, we've got a Kyushu Tonkatsu Yakisoba from Payyoung. Yeah, this is a brand that is considered, their yakisoba is considered Japanese soul food. It's been around for years, and they keep coming out with new varieties. Tonkatsu Yakisoba is really savory, tasty stuff, so I'm stoked. Next up from Miyojo, we have noodle and soup only Kohaku shellfish dashi chuka soba. So I've tried one of these varieties before in this range. I don't think it was this one, and I believe the one that I had was a shoyu. And it was pretty top notch, really good noodle, so yeah. Next from Ace Cook, we have Nomihosu Hippai Kyoto Shibura Shoyu Ramen. And Shibura is like powdered back fat, and it makes the soup more savory and flavorful, so yeah, this should be a tasty one. And next, a neat one from Nissin. This is Nissin no Tantan Men. And Tantan Men is a very savory, flavorful, thick, rich monstrosity of wonder to behold. So I'm expecting good things from this cup. And from Marushan, we have their Kuta. Kuta means I'm full. This is their seafood flavor. And what's special about these is they've got extra different ingredients and garnishes in there, so it's supposed to be like more filling, more fancy, and got some extra oomph to it. So pretty curious about this one. And next from Toyo Suisan, aka Marushan, we have Osobaya San no Kuri Nanban Soba. So I believe the noodle in this one is going to be a little thinner, and it's curry, so you can't go wrong with curry. And to round out the box, this one's from Nissin. This is Men Shokunin Koidashi Agodashi. So this Men Shokunin line is like supposed to be like craftsman ramen in a bowl that you buy instant, and it's honestly some of the best stuff I've had out there. So definitely going to be really stoked to try this one. Alright, so in this box you get noodles and soup, Tonkatsu Yakisoba, a fancy seafood cup, Shibura, Men Shokunin, curry, Tantan Men, and your info card. Well, yeah, that's the May box. If you want to head on over to zenpop.jp and use the coupon code the Ramen Raider, you can possibly still get one of these. I tell you, like I said at the outset, I haven't tried any of these, so I am super stoked and can't wait to taste them all. And this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.